Hello, if you are experiencing stress or pressure, perhaps you're placing expectations on yourself that are too high. Maybe you're facing financial or career difficulties, uncertainty about the future, or feeling stuck. Let me help you. This is something I've been helping people with all over the world for the past 20 years. My name is Jason. Some people know me as a freedom coach, helping people free their voice. Others know me as a high performance coach. We can live more fully and perform at a higher level while reduce stress and pressure. The key is freeing ourselves from the limitation we all have, some of which we may not even be aware of. Freeing ourselves from past trauma and pain, from beliefs about what we can or cannot do, and from the patterns we form. It's amazing what can happen when we were able to free ourselves from our current constraints. Recently, I hosted a workshop here for a Vietnamese audience, and it was wonderful. People truly said they resonated deeply with me, so I'll be hosting it again and inviting you to join, so we can truly help you experience freedom. You feel more fully filled, gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the incredible potential you have, allowing you to live more fully, creatively, and productively. You show up at a higher level, no matter what you feel in. Perhaps you are in the leadership role, maybe you own your own business, you are an executive, you want to start your own business, or you're a student unsure about the path you want to take. Maybe you're facing challenges within relationships with your children, parents, or partner. There are so many things in life that create stress and fear, so let me share with you the methods and strategies I developed that have helped many people become freer, more confident in life, understand themselves better, and understand others better as well. This truly improves communication and helps you become a better leader. It applies to many areas of life. So we help you become more successful and more fulfilled. A new year is coming, so you can truly feel better. This is why I love this work, helping people discover greater possibilities and bringing everything to life. So come enjoy this workshop. It will be truly fun, engaging, and of course very energetic. See you there.